Meaning of emigration.
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 Emigration. Emigration refers to the act of leaving one's country or region of residence to live in another. This process typically involves permanently relocating to a new country or region. The result of emigration can vary depending on the individual's circumstances and the country they are leaving. In some cases, emigration can lead to improved economic opportunities, access to better healthcare and education, and a higher standard of living. However, it may also result in cultural dislocation, separation from family and friends, and difficulties adapting to a new environment.